Bass Pro, January 12th, 2021, Anchorage, Alaska, ammo update. Parking lot's super empty out here, so my prediction, they got squat. But let's just go check it out and see what they have. I see something. Limit 5 each size. $17 HMR. 22 wing mag. .22 Hornet. Oh, they got 30-06. 20 bucks. That's a good price. .30-06 rifle line. These are cheap ammo right here, but they're good. Oh, they got 30-06. I'm excited, man. I don't need 30-06, but man, it's good to see 30-06. So we've been looking at Cabela's and Bass Pro, even though they're owned by the same corporate. Bass Pro has more rifle ammo. We were at Cabela's the other day and they were out of a lot of stuff. So Bass Pro has a lot of interesting ammo here. Sorry for the camera shake. I just want to see what they have. 270, 6 mil. They still have all these shotguns right here. Over here, let's see what they have over here. Oh, they got 32 auto. 32 auto, 30 bucks. 32 right here. 25 auto. Those are hard to find too. 460 Smith & Wesson. 454, 41 mag, and they still have those 10 mil. Well, these are some different ones. Now, these are the same 10 mil we saw last week. 10 mil HST. They had like about this much, so it looks like they're about a quarter right now. And all the shotgun shell. Man, not bad at all. What's this right here? 12 gauge. All the BBs. They got BB pellets now. All right, let's check out the other aisles. Reload section for all my reload fellas. A lot of people have been requesting reload stuff, and they don't have much. Here you can see here, nothing much. So really, I don't have too much to show you guys on the reload section. They got some basic ammo, some basic bullets and stuff. But other than that, people are looking for primer and powder. And you guys can see here, no primer, no powder. Few bullets here and there, just some rifle bullets and stuff, but nothing much, guys. AR furnitures, AR accessories right here. You can see here they have a little bit of stuff. Not a lot of PMags or magazines, but other than that, Pro Mag. G26. There's not a lot of people tonight, so just for the record, guys, just for the record, it's 6 p.m. right now. So it's 6 p.m. evening. There's only one guy at the counter. Still got some rifles. I wonder if there's any ammo in the back counters. No ammos in the back counters. Uh oh, these guys are smart. Screw ammo, they're going to archery now. Well, anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for the ammo update here. I hope you guys enjoyed this update, January 12th, 2021. It's a Tuesday evening, 6 p.m. There's literally nobody here shopping. So yeah, if you guys need 30-06, 30-06, 22, 270. Still a lot of good rifle rounds. I was thinking about just picking up a box of 30-06 just for the heck of it, but decided not to. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comment section what you guys have, and stay tight this week. It's gonna be a crazy week, and next weekend it's gonna be super crazy around the world, if you know what I mean. Be safe. Talk to you guys later.